Let me give you 4 reasons why you should get this property here in Pramana Residential Estates. Starting with number 1, location. This is located in Pramana Residential Estates, easily accessible to the South Luzon Expressway via the Greenfield and Eaton exit, and napakalapit lang po niya sa bagong UST here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, and malapit din po siya going to Nuvali. Number 2, it's the community. The community of Pramana Residential Estates is very exclusive and very secure. If you are looking to build a family or you're looking to retire here in Pramana, perfect po sa inyo to. And lastly, the build and the price. For the price of 22.5 million, yung build po niya is quality, and yung mga ginamit na materyales, napakaganda po talaga. Kaya po, if you would like to see this property in the actual or schedule a site visit with us, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen or on the comment sections.